I am Master Ferdinand from Sri Lanka. I would like to speak to you on the modern trends of communication technology. Around 2 decades ago, it was said that the future is in the sand. The reason for this is the IC circuits and the transistors were the main elements made out of were silicon. The element silicon is used in the production of in crystal state in the production of transistors and IC circuits. But in the modern era, one may say the future is in the clouds. The reason for this is the communication satellites will carry most of the data that mankind uses. For example, the modern computer will only have its basic functions on Earth, and the CPU unit and the ROMs will all be in the satellites. People will have access to this ROMs and the CPU units by a password. This way they will not have to carry about heavy computers with them or possess heavy computers. They will only have a laptop which will give them access to these CPU units and ROMs. So you can see the world is going to change drastically in the next 2-3 years, especially with cloud technology coming into it. And the cost of it is going to drop drastically. For example, in Mother Lanka, a computer costs a great deal, maybe around 40,000 minimum, and the middle class man cannot afford it. But when this cloud technology comes into full force, a computer may be less than 5,000 rupees, and one will be able to have a vast amount of information in one's fingertips. Or in other words, every Dick, Tom and Harry will have information in their fingertips. One may say that information may be the key to bring down poverty, as poverty can be one of the causes for great hardships to mankind. And to eradicate this, communication technology will play a major role, as it is playing in the modern world today.